Hello guys and welcome back to this new devlog on my YouTube channel. This is the third devlog on this channel. Please consider watching the previous one and join my game development journey, in which I am creating an endless racing kind of game with Indian theme of Indian vehicles and locations. In the previous devlogs, we have created some cool smoke particles and a lot of model with the top system where you can buy and unlock new characters and some sound effects for break. And by looking at the cow and the bull, if you are thinking that how the cow and the bull will run, then it is a suspense and a surprise for you, but you have to wait for the game to release. And in this new devlog, I am going to do some improvement in the game and adding lots of new things, such as a brand new auto rickshaw model and a police car model, car horns and its lights. But before going any further, thanks a lot to you all for those awesome comments. And guys, you are so awesome. I got a lot of comments showing love towards the channel and great suggestions, and I will try to implement the most of your suggestions as much I can. So let's get started. So first of all, I completely changed the camera movement in the main menu. Previously, I was using a simple single camera and I was changing the position of the camera by using the script, which was not having much more control and customizations. So I changed it by using three different Cinemachine virtual camera and changed its priority to get effect of movement from menu camera to character selection camera and others. You can see the demo example where I have selected two cameras, and if I change the priority, then the first camera will be moved to the second camera, and if I change back its priority, then it will swap back to its previous position. Now after fixing the camera movement, I see a comment to start a police chase if you break the red light. So I opened a blender and started to make a police car. And after some time, I thought which is the most common vehicle in India to see on roads. And I came to know that it is an auto rickshaw, and I made a Indian auto rickshaw with that police car, which I will include as a player in my game. And for the police chase, I will implement that system in the next devlogs. And also in between, I changed the graphics and it was looking much more better than the previous one. I also had a comment to improve UI buttons, and for that Extreme helped me and created some UI for the buttons. Then I used his UI designs to create buttons and added two animations to it. One when we press it and another one when we leave it to normal. For the pressed animation, I just reduced the size of the button, and for the normal animation, I just changed their size to normal. Now it was the time to make some obstacles. So I again opened a blender and started to make some 3D models of road obstacles.
24 hours later.
And after a day, I created these models and imported them to Unity and marked them as obstacle. And if the player will collide with them, the game will be over. And if the player will collide with these small cones, then they will fall and will behave like a realistic cone. Also, I added 2-point lights at the place of backlight of the car and modified the brake effect script to also turn on the lights when the brake are being applied. Then I added two graphics option where you can enable or disable the high graphics. If you have low end device, then you can play with low graphics, and if you have high end device, then the high graphics will be best for you. And now at this time, I have added the music and sound effect both in the game. So I decided to add a sound controller for someone who don't want the sound or he wants the low sounds. So I made two sliders, one for music and another one for the sound effects, and made a script by which if you will reduce the slider of music, then the music volume will be reduced, and if you reduce the sound effect slider, then the sound effects volume will be low. That's how you can also control music in this game. Also, I added a new player control system, a gyroscopic control, or you can say that tilt your phone to control the player, by which if you will enable this toggle button, then you will be able to control the player by tilting your phone left and right. And in the last, I also changed the camera in the gameplay, which was moving more far when the player increases the speed. But now the feel is same, but the camera can't go far from the player as the speed increases. That's all I have done in this game till now. I hope you are loving these videos and my game development journey. Let's see how far I can go. I will continuously post the progress of the game on this channel, so stay connected and like the video, subscribe the channel and comment your reviews about the game. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Can you make a FIFA game or you can't do that?